Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Apple TV remote, okay? So let me zoom back out of here. Now, if you're new to Apple TV, it's got some pretty basic functions in which you first have a trackpad here, which is also acts as a click pad. You have the back button right over here. Then you have the home button right over here, and that could actually be adjusted. You have the pause and play button over here. You have the mute button right over here, and then you have the volume controls right over here, and you also have the power button up top, and then you also have the voice to text feature by holding this button down right over here. Now, as far as these buttons go, you really just use it to navigate around Apple TV, and then if you click on an icon, you can click on back to go back, and then for the volume, you can use the volume to adjust the settings. But in order to actually make sure that this Apple TV remote controls everything on your TV, you want to make sure that you go into settings, and then under settings you want to go click on remotes and devices. And sorry, let me zoom in for you. And then from here you want to scroll all the way down to where it says home theater control. So you want to make sure that control TVs and receivers is set to on, and you also want to make sure that volume control is set to auto, and that the on-screen volume display is set to show. So what this will do is that in addition to the navigation buttons that you have over here, you could actually turn on and off the TV pressing the power button, and now you could actually control the volume using the volume keypad on the Apple TV remote as well. So by enabling these functions, your Apple TV remote will have full control of your Samsung TV or whichever TV that you have. So you can see that if I press back, I'm now going back. I can use the navigation controls. I can control the volume, okay? I could also do speech to text. So if I hold on this, launch Netflix, you'll see that it now launches Netflix. If I click on back, it goes back. And then the last thing is if I click on the power button, you'll see that a drop-down menu appears. In order to actually just power it straight off, you just have to hold the power button down. And now you'll see that the TV actually turns off. And then if you want to turn it back on, you just click on the power button again, and then you'll see that my TV has now turned back on. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use your Apple TV remote. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. And if you know of a better or easier way to actually use this Apple TV remote, let me know in the comments down below also. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.